Mactalio crossover, nakalusot. Boss Lace, Milyare will finish. This step the floater, no good. And Fix for the lead, bullseye, up by one. Alcantara inbounding, pass inside, Blaza pinabitin, basket and one, Blaza. And he's 2-on-2. Stop, pull up J, bullseye, the Nets. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Cup 2024. This time saan konting crossover move. Goes to the middle, to the corner. Garcia. Create space, falling away. Short, rebound, put back, first blood. Milyare, high pass to Mactalio for 3. No good. And the rebound for Team San Quintin. Garcia, side step, inside. Picks, reverse layup. Yes, sir. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Milyare. He pass. Fires at 3. Bang! Mactalio, the receiver. Pass to Corpus. To Mactalio. Mactalio attacks. Lace. Easy to Mactalio. Nakalusot. And the pass for 3, short, rebound Mactalio. Mactalio crossover, nakalusot. Corner pass, Lace, Milyare will finish. And to the middle. And fires, bucket. Garcia crossover, lost the handle, recovers, he spins, inside pass, fires off the window, yes sir. Milyare, high pass inside, stolen. And here's Team San Quintin. Garcia, side step the floater, no good. And Fix for the lead, bullseye, up by 1. Baseball pass, Corpus. Binawi bigla, sinausaw ni Corpus. 3-point lead for Team Bangged, 1 to the middle. Peralta, corner, side step, kicks out, open look for 3. Bang! Tagi! And number 10, pass to the wings. Garcia to number 10. To Garcia. Pull up J. Off the glass. Bucket. And San Quintin. Number 10. 4-3 again. Bang! Another 3 from. And here's Mactalio. Mactalio corner pass. Picks. Create space to Mactalio. Drives. Goes inside. Lace rejected. Reverse layup. Oh, the second chance. Mactalio attacking the defense side step, lost the handle, stolen, pass break now. Nauna pati bola. Recover, inside pass, libre, easy to Mactalio. Now with the ball, the crossover. He bump, he spin to the middle, inside pass to Corpus, kicks out. Open 3, Milyare. Bang! San Quintin pass break, nauna naman. And Lace, easy to 22-19. 3-point lead for San Quintin. Mactalio. Pass to corner to the middle. Stolen again. Pass break now. Bounce pass na. Una na naman. Easy bucket now. Up by 5. Here is Garcia for Team San Quintin. Goes to the screen. He pass for 3. In and out rebound. And attacks Peralta. Fires off the window. Bucket Peralta. Mactalio. For deep 3. Nugget. Garcia. Inside pass. Natapikan. And Mactalio. Mactalio goes inside. Delays. Yes sir. Mactalio. Alcantara inbounding. Pass inside. Blaza pinabitin. Basket and 1. Blaza. To Mactalio. Mactalio pass to the middle. Bounce pass. Falling away, Blaza, bullseye, Dane. Garcia to Aznar. Aznar attacking the defense. Bounce pass to Garcia. To the wings for 3. Short, rebound Mactalio. Mactalio in hurry against 3 defender. He attacks, lays, yes sir, attacking the 3. Stolen by Garcia. Garcia, 2-on-1, pass. Lars, easy bucket. Mactalio, high pass inside. Recover by Blaza, fires, basket and 1, Blaza. Stolen. And he's 2-on-2. Stop, pull up J. Bullseye the net. Milyare. Attacks. Inside. Fires. Bucket. Milyare. San Quintin. High pass. Garcia. Garcia will attack. Will spin the floater shot. Yes, sir. Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. Pass to the middle. Blaza. Floater. Yes, sir. And one. He's stolen. And he pass. Crossover move. Uy. For the inbound. Picks. Drives. Pinoy step. Pinabitin. And oops. Inside pass. Hook shot. Nugget. Rebound. Na-save. Sakto. And side step. Rejected. Mactalio. Mactalio setting the play. Bounce pass to Sanchez. Inside pass. Corpus. Inausa. Number 10 for San Quintin. He pass. Bounce pass inside. Posting up. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Peralta kicks out. Oh! High bang! Grabe na. Mactalio. Mactalio. To the middle. Milyare. Pass to the middle. Stolen. Sumigsag. Natapikan ni Mactalio. Inside pass. And fires and the connection. Mactalio the rebound. Mactalio high pass. Sanchez fires rejected. And the pass is stolen again by Mactalio. Inside pass again is Blaza without finish. Bounce pass to Mactalio. Mactalio waiting for his teammates. He attacks. He bump. Sidestep corner. Open look Sanchez. No good. Rebound. Blaza lost the handle and here comes Garcia with the steal against Milyare, dancing in the floor, fakes, drives, rejected by Corpus and saves the ball. Corpus there for the pick up. And Milyare goes inside, kicks out, open look Sanchez, short, rebound Peralta. That's the end of. And number 10 to Garcia. And stops to number 10, Wings. Attacks, fires, bucket. Mactalio with the ball. Mactalio now. 3-point lead for Bangged 1. Blaza attacks to the middle. Corpus pinabitin pa. And number 10 setting the play San Quintin. Open look Garcia. He stops against Sanchez to the middle. To the wing side. Left alone for 3. Bang! Mactalio pass to Corpus. Corpus spins inside pass. Milyare the floater. Yes, sir. And number 10 to Garcia. Rainbow shot. No good. Rebound San Quintin the floater. Yes, sir. Talio against Garcia. Attacking the defense. Blaza open. Cross pass. Milyare will try a 3. Bang! And Mactalio no look pass. Pull up J. Sanchez. Bullseye. Here's Mactalio. Mactalio. Cross pass. Milyare will try the 3. No good. Rebound. Blaza spins. Kicks out Mactalio. Bounce pass inside. Pinabitin pa. Sanchez. Mactalio. Mactalio bounce pass. Blaza. Pass back Mactalio at the wings. Crosses over. Bounce pass. Wing side at 3. No good. Rebound Blaza. Put back shot. Yes, sir. And no look pass inside. Milyare. Bounce pass. Blaza. Sanchez. Pull up jet. The free throw area. Bantano. Pass break. And Garcia. Tinignan pa yung kwardiya. Oy! The pass. Blaza. Blaza. Inside pass. Corpus. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Mactalio. Mactalio. Asking for a pick. Picks. Attacks. Against 3 defender. Space. Lays. Oh! 5 yung bantay. Grab. Mactalio against Garcia. He stops corner pass to Blaza. Hook pass to Corpus. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Another 3. Rebound. He pass. Cantano. He step back for 3. Short. Rebound Cantano. Inside pass. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. Umakyat yung 15-point lead for Bangged 1. Mactalio. Hinihiwala yung Decolor sa puti. Pinalusot sa ilalim. Pass break ngayon. Cantano nauna. Easy bucket. Cantano. That's the end. Oh. Mactalio crossover. Attacking the defense. Lish. Yes, sir. Mactalio again. And here's Cantano. Cantano with the ball. To the wings. Inside pass. One bounce floater. Won't go. Peralta the rebound. Pinasa kay and Milyare. The pass. Open look for 3. Bang! Mactalio once again. And pass. Pull up J. Yes, sir. And the pass. Milyare the floater. Bullseye. The pass to the middle. And bounce pass. Hook shot. Bucket. Pass to Cantano for 3. Bang! Cantano. Mactalio spins. Nakalusot. Mactalio goes to the screen. Attack. Side step na libre. Oh! The follow-up shot by Mactalio goes to the screen. Oh, no. He pass. And recover by Milyare. Blasa. And Corpus drives, goes inside, Lish. Yes, sir, Corpus. And the pass, Garcia to the middle. Cantano open for 3. Short, rebound. Bounce pass. Garcia sa gitna. Garcia. And takes, outside the step, the floater. Yes, sir. And here's Mactalio. Goes to the screen. Stop. Left alone for 3. Won't go. And in Harry. Drives. Bounce. Sakto yung pasa. Pinasa pa sa gitna. And sa gitnon. Inside pass. Fires. Libre. Yes, sir. Mactalio. Mactalio spins. Mactalio. Attacks. Floater shot. Bucket. Mactalio. Mactalio. Mactalio attacks, floater shot. Oh, good. Fires. Blaza will finish. Congratulations, Banged 1.